Number 1. A topographic image of the Alpine Fault in New Zealand is shown below. The Alpine Fault is a transform fault where two continental plates, the Indo-Australian Plate and the Pacific Plate, slide against one another. The constant sliding of these plates has caused A. Trenches, B. Glacial runoff, C. Earthquakes, or D. Slip faults. Go ahead and mark your answer on your answer document. Number 2. In the water cycle, surface water evaporates into the atmosphere, condenses, and eventually falls to Earth as precipitation. What part of this system is most essential for the water cycle to function? F. Energy from the sun. G. Location of rivers. H. Human use of water. Or J. Animal use of water. Mark your choice on your answer document. Number 3. Geologists who study seafloor spreading argue that the theory of plate tectonics is valid. One of their main points has been supported by data from multi-year research studies on the size of the Earth. These studies show that the size of the Earth has A. Not significantly increased since the Earth was formed, B. Significantly increased since Earth was formed, C. Decreased significantly since Earth formed, D. Significantly decreased since Earth formed. Mark your answer choice. Number 4. What form of energy causes water in the ocean to evaporate? F. Chemical, G. Heat, H. Kinetic, or J. Potential. Mark your answer choice. Number 5. A convergent boundary is when two tectonic plates meet and push against each other. What type of landform would occur at this type of boundary? A. Canyon, B. Coastline, C. Mountain, or D. Plain. Number 6. The map below shows areas on Earth that show evidence of once having glaciers. Which theory is supported by this information? F. The theory of a frozen Earth, G. The theory of glacial formation, H. The theory of plate tectonics and continental drift, or J. The theory of natural selection and plate formation. Mark your answer choice. Use the following topographic map to answer the following questions 7 and 8. Number 7. Based on the topographic map, what is true? A. Point D is 500 meters higher than point A. B. Points A and E lie at the same elevation. C. Each line represents 250 meters difference in elevation. D. Point B lies at the lowest elevation. Go ahead and mark your answer on your answer document. Number 8. What is the elevation of point E? Fill in your answers on your answer document. Number 9. This geologic theory is generally thought to have laid the basis for the modern theory of plate tectonics. A. Continental drift, B. Magma liaison theory, C. Tidal arrangement, D. Newton's theory of universal gravitation. Number 10. For billions of years, our sun, a yellow main sequence star, has radiated solar energy into space. The energy that reaches Earth has been most responsible for which of the following? F. Creating electricity from solar panels. G. Changing ocean levels known as tides. H. Convection within the Earth's atmosphere leading to weather patterns. Or J. The limited plant life found at the poles. Number 11. Paul's favorite television show is the nature program called Volcano Hunters. Each week, a team of geologists traveled to a different volcano to try and film an eruption. Where would the team most likely find an active volcano? A. Where Earth's crust is the thickest. B. Anywhere along the equator. C. Where two tectonic plates meet. D. Near the North or South Poles. 12. The theory of Pangaea as a single massive landmass that may have broken apart into what we recognize as the modern landmasses and major continents was not supported by which of the following pieces of evidence? F. Similar climate and weather patterns on continents very remote from each other. G. Fossil evidence of identical species on continental coastal regions of continents separated by oceans. H. Extensive volcanoes found in mountain ranges on the North American continent. Or J. Coastlines of the continents look like they could all fit together like a puzzle. 13. The southeastern region of Texas has mild temperatures with relatively small changes in temperature between daytime and nighttime. Which of these is the most responsible for keeping the daily temperature range small? A. Daily high wind speeds. B. Slow-moving cold fronts. C. Heat from deserts. Or D. Moisture from coastal waters. Use the weather map to answer the following questions. Number 14. Based on the weather map, predict the weather for Dallas tomorrow. F. Increase in temperatures. G. Decrease in temperatures. H. Temperatures remain similar. Or J. Ongoing rainy weather. Use the following map to answer the following questions for 15 and 16. Number 15. What do the solid lines on the topographic map of Bradford Canyon represent? A. Changes in rock type. B. Lines of equal pressure. C. Lines of equal elevation. Or D. Changes in vegetation. Number 16. At which point does the canyon have the greatest change in elevation? F. A. G. B. H, C, or J, D. Mark your answer choice on your answer document. 17. Rift valleys are most likely the result of which of the following plate boundaries? A. Transform boundary. B. Divergent boundary. C. Subduction boundary. D. Convergent boundary. Number 18. Ocean currents move warm and cold water throughout the oceans, affecting weather systems and climates. Where do warm ocean currents originate? F. Near the poles. G. Near the equator. H. Near continents. Or J. Near the middle of the oceans. Number 19. The term seafloor spreading is best used to describe A. The submergence of the Pacific Plate beneath the North American Plate. B. The rapid drop-off between the continental shelf and the abysmal plain. C. The tsunami effect associated with the eruption of underwater volcanoes. Or D. Magma upwelling and the expansion happening along the mid-Atlantic ridge. Number 20. The satellite photograph below shows a large meteorite crater that is 1,200 meters in diameter and 170 meters deep. This crater is located in a flat, arid part of northeastern Arizona. How will this crater most likely change over time? F. It will get deeper as it fills with water. G. It will rise up like a volcanic crater. H. It will become less deep as the rim erodes. Or J. It will widen as it fills with lava. Number 21. According to the theory of plate tectonics, where do activities such as earthquakes and volcanic eruptions occur? A. In the center of plates. B. Above the surfaces of plates. C. Along plate boundaries, or D. In the outer regions of plates. Number 22. Hurricanes are powerful tropical storms that develop over warm ocean water. Hurricanes draw their energy from the ocean and weaken as they move over land. Which of the following best explains how energy is transferred from the ocean to a hurricane? F. Evaporating water adds heat to the atmosphere. G. Rising tides change the level of the ocean surface. H. Waves cause turbulence in the lower atmosphere. And J. Currents carry warm water along the ocean surface. Number 23. Jacob attends a school 100 kilometers inland from the Gulf Coast. During hurricane season, his class decided to look up National Weather Service data on the internet. They wanted to track the wind speeds of past hurricanes as they move from ocean to land. When they put all their data together, they noticed a pattern. The wind speeds of hurricanes were highest out at sea. The wind speeds slowed down after the hurricanes moved several kilometers inland. Which best explains the pattern in the hurricane data gathered by Jacob's class? A. When a hurricane approaches land, the cooler waters near the shore provide less energy. B. When hurricane is at sea, the prevailing winds act to strengthen the hurricane's winds. C. When a hurricane moves onto land, friction between the storm and the land causes energy loss. Or D. When a hurricane moves over land, it can no longer obtain energy from the warm ocean water. 24. Hurricanes and similar storm systems begin over oceans. The map below shows average surface temperatures of the oceans in the summer. Based on the map, which area probably produced the most violent storm systems? F. Area 1, G. Area 2, H. Area 3, or J. Area 4. Number 25. What is the one condition that is necessary for a hurricane to form? A. Warm ocean water. B. A strong cold front. C. Cold ocean water. Or D. A strong warm front. This marks the end of the test, so please make sure your answer choices are filled in correctly before you turn in your test to your teacher.